Hello and welcome to Abhit Shiksha. In today's video, let us learn about the refractive index with the help of an interesting experiment. But first, do you know what refractive index is? Refractive index is a measure of bending of a light ray when passing from one medium to another. For the experiment, we will need beakers, an ignition tube, and vegetable oil. First, let us take a large beaker and place a smaller one inside it. As you can see, both the beakers are clearly visible. Next, we take some vegetable oil and pour it in the smaller beaker. We will keep pouring it till it spills and start filling the bigger one. As this happens, we are unable to see the smaller beaker through it. Now let us insert an empty ignition tube inside the beakers. You can easily see the ignition tube inside them. But as oil starts to fill the tube, it disappears as well. The oil-filled tube is visible when we pull it out from the oil, but as soon as we put it back in, the tube becomes invisible. Can you guess the mystery behind this invisibility trick? This is because both glass and vegetable oil have roughly the same index of refraction. That is 1.52 for glass and 1.51 for vegetable oil. I hope this video has helped you in understanding the topic better. For more such interesting experiments, please press the like button, share with your friends, comment your views and subscribe to Abhit Shiksha.